RAM unboxing. There's the RAM. Flip it. Let's see if we can do this with just one little hand without actually cutting ourselves. Do not do this at home. This is stupid. You need two hands to do this. I'm an idiot. And if I get cut, it's my fault. Right. Apparently, I'm a lucky idiot. Pull this. And there we go. There we go, RAM. Empty box, we don't need that. There you go. And that's RAM unboxing. That's easy, right? I'll peel these when I actually install the RAM. Okay, well, that's done. I'll just hope you're gonna be here for the review. Bye.